Snails are often described as being slimy and slow, not very flattering, but we all have something significant in common with snails.
Not very flattering at all. KMBC 9's Kelly Eckerman shows us how our similarities could lead to medical breakthroughs.
That's an eye. It's looking at you. Say hi.
This lab at Kansas City's Stowers Institute for Medical Research
I didn't expect them to be this big.
is filled with apple snails.
It's beautiful, huh?
A lot of these little guys.
They're the subject of groundbreaking research for human vision, specifically eye regeneration.
Their eyes are almost indistinguishable from ours. They have a cornea, they have a lens, a retina, an optic nerve. It looks literally just like your eyes and my eyes.
But this snail has something we don't, the ability to regenerate a whole new eye in about 20 days. By studying these snails, scientists here have now isolated a gene linked to regeneration, and it could translate to humans, showing us how to trigger the regrowth of sensory organs. They now have a model to study that didn't exist before.
These things that we thought were impossible to repair may actually be possible. So what we need to do is to sharpen our wits and figure out how nature solved that problem.
Kelly Eckerman, KMBC 9 News.
A new eye in 20 days.
20 days.
Wow.
Now, while apple snails are considered valuable to this research, they are actually an invasive species capable of destroying entire lettuce crops.
The Stowers Institute spent years getting special permits to bring them here and must keep them in a highly controlled environment.